Hey, are you looking for a super cool way to cast from your mobile device, cell phone, tablet to your big screen TV in 1080p? If so, we're going to take a look at this new device. This is from Lano. It's a wireless screen projector. We're going to go ahead and open it up, see what's inside, and see if it's right for you. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this is from Lano. This is a Black Friday deal. Wanted to get this out there. It's a wireless screen projector. What this does is this allows you to have HD image quality right from your smartphone to your big screen TV. Doesn't require any applications to be installed. All you're going to do is plug it into the HDMI port on your television, and you'll be able to cast directly to any TV with an HDMI port. This is 1080p. It has low latency and no network is required. Inside the box, we're going to open this thing up and we'll take a look. All right, let's throw that box off to the side. We've got some paperwork here. This says 1080p wireless screen projector from Lano. It's got a bunch of instructions here. You can take a look at that. This is the device. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box. And that is a really nice, small, compact device. Looks like we've got a button here. We got some branding. On the side here, we have an HDMI port. Around the side here, we have a USB-C port, and that's about it. Nothing on the back. So let's see what else is in here. Looks like we also have some cables. So let's take a look at which cables we have. Open this up. Okay, so first cable we have is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. That's going to plug into the device. Let's see, this should be our HDMI cable here. Let's go ahead and pull that out. And yes, so we do have a HDMI cable to HDMI. There's the other side there. And so that's just going to plug directly into the TV, into the device, and then you should be able to cast whatever it is on your mobile device right to your big screen. So we're going to go ahead and test that out. If you're enjoying the video, please make sure to give us a like, share this video so that it gets out to others, and I will go ahead and post it in the description for you so you can pick one of these up for yourself. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is find the HDMI port on the back of your television and plug in the HDMI cable provided with the screen mirroring device. You'll then take that other end of the HDMI cable and plug it directly into the screen mirroring device. Once you've connected the device to the HDMI cable, you are then going to take the USB-A cable and plug that directly in to a power supply. Once you connect to the power supply, you should see a blue light that comes on the device to show you that it does have power. You will then be greeted with the current screen. Swipe down from the top of your Android device, like I am on the Galaxy device here, and select the appropriate casting option, which in this case is Smart View. It will then show you the network name of the device. Simply click on that, and you will now be able to mirror your mobile device directly on the television as shown. This will work in both portrait and landscape mode on devices. So let's go ahead and take a look and test this out. I'm going to open up an application and show you what you're able to do. Here we have YouTube, and as you can see, we can easily scroll through the different options on YouTube. Let's go ahead and open up another application, and we will go ahead and look for Netflix. Once we have Netflix open, we'll be able to cast whatever we like right onto the screen. As you can see, I have Netflix open, and this will work in both portrait and landscape mode as well. So we're going to go ahead and scroll through here. Let's go ahead and get out of the portrait mode and go into landscape for better viewing. We'll go ahead and scroll down and find a movie to select. I'll go ahead and select nonstop. And as you can see, we are able to view the movie directly on the screen with no issues. So the second option you have with the screen mirroring is method number 2. You'll press the button on the device. It will switch on the screen as shown, and then you'll easily just go ahead and scan the QR code and follow the instructions on your phone. As you can see here, we will just go into Smart View once again, and you will see that we're able to mirror our device right onto the screen as we did previously. And in this, I will show you a clip of YouTube. You can also do things such as YouTube Music or any other application that you're able to cast onto an external screen. So let me know in the comments below if this is a device that you'd be interested in. I'll put a link in the description below so you can pick up your own for under $30 for Black Friday. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure to share this with others. As always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.